Hey, how's it going? Hope you guys have a shit one. So today is Sunday here in Malaysia, and yep, we are in day, I'm not sure how many of MCO, the movement restriction order. But what I was thinking is I've been wanting to film about car related content for my YouTube channel. I go out and film me driving this car right here. I own this car for less than a year already right now. Supposedly this car is my project car, but obviously you need a lot of budget to actually build a car. And this car is not fast, but it's about the experience. It still have the original engine, but it's really loud because this is a straight pipe with a muffler behind, which later on I will start up. Because after this I'll be going out to buy some groceries. I'm gonna drive around and show you guys how Kuching is like right now. Here on the street it's probably empty, but nonetheless I still wanna drive around, especially this car is fun. Manual. So without further ado, I'm just gonna start up my car and warm it up first. Maybe a quick brief about this car. This car, I just got it just last year, so it's less than a year I got this car, and it's supposedly my, can say, a project car. Right now everything is still stock, even the engine is stock, just that there is exhaust modification straight all the way from the header with a muffler behind. And this car is the AE70, and obviously the paint is pretty rough, to say the least, but overall the condition, you see here, is pretty rough. But again, this is my project car. If budget allow, I plan to do an engine swap. I plan to obviously give it a nice bodywork paint as well. I'm just gonna let the car warm up first for maybe about 5 minutes like that. And guys, wherever you are, I hope you guys stay safe and always wash your hands. And of course, if you are going out, make sure to wear mask. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure to help me out by hitting that subscribe button down below. And once again, I'm just going out to buy some groceries. I'm not going anywhere. And this car is not fast, so I'm still gonna enjoy my drive, okay, because obviously this is a manual. Nonetheless, hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go. It's a nice sunny day here in Kuching. It's very hot, and right now I'm just going somewhere to buy groceries. Let you see the empty street of Kuching right now. And just like that, guys, I'm back home. Yeah, again, everything is very quiet right now, and yeah, I managed to buy a few groceries for myself. And I hope you guys stay safe as well at home. Remember, always wash your hand, wear a mask if you are going out, and stay at home as much as you can to isolate yourself from others. If you watch until the end of the video, make sure to hit that like button down for me and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to do more car content in the future. If you like this, please show your support, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace out, guys.